Hey everyone, Stephanie here, and today I want to show you something I learned, which is how to create a Google Client ID in secret. So in order to do that, you first have to come to Google. In your browser, you have to type in console.developers.google.com/start. Once you come here, you'll be brought to the Google Developers Console page, and here you'll be able to create your client ID in secret. So first you have to click on Use Google API. Once you do that, you create a project, and I'm going to title this Work with Stephanie. Some people recommend should the name should be the same as your website to avoid confusion, but it's up to you on what you want to call it. As long as you remember it, that's all that matters. Um, there are a lot of ways you can get an API, but for right now, we're going to specifically focus on social APIs with Google+. So you go under Social APIs, click on Google Plus API, and then you're going to click on Enable right underneath Overview. Once you click Enable, as it's going and it's loading, you have to get credentials. So in order to do that, you have to click on Go to Credentials, and you have to find out what credentials you need. You want to, for specifically for Influx, when you click on this drop down box, you want to click on Google Cloud Logging API right here. And then it's going to ask you, are you using Google App Engine or Google Computer Engine? And you can say yes, and then it's going to say, what credentials do I need? You don't need to create new credentials. You click on Done. You click on Create Credentials, and you want to go under OAuth Client ID. Once you do that, application type, you want to name it, and I'm going to call this Work with Stephanie Richards. And you want to authorize a redirect URL. Now in order to get that, you go to your Influx back office, you find settings for Google, you insert the redirect, copy, and then you push create. Once you push create, it will give you your ID. You simply insert it into your Google settings. And then you enter your secret. Make sure that you don't have that little space at the end. Paste. You see how my mouse is not at the right next to the A? Make sure that you push the backspace so that you do not get any spaces within it, and you simply push apply within your back office, and you have successfully saved your client ID and secret within the back office of your Influx Entrepreneur site. So congratulations, you have your client ID and secret. Continue moving forward with being an entrepreneur.